What's going on, guys? It's your boy Christian, and in today's video we're back with some more WRX stuff, of course. In today's video we're actually going to be putting in an oxygen sensor. My car is actually reading P0137 code. This is the OEM one from basically Subaru. I actually got it off of Amazon. The one from AutoZone was $150. Ended up getting this bad baby for around $84. Now I've already watched a couple of tutorials and it should be pretty easy. I got a 7/8 wrench right here, which they call for a 22 if you know, of course, we're doing the other conversion, but 22 or 7/8. And basically I should be able to do this, lift the car up a little bit on the driver's side. And this is the Downstream O2 sensor. Like I said, I got a P0137 code, and I've seen a lot of people have that same code. They use this to actually get it fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys me actually putting this bad baby in today. Like I said, easy installation. Today is Thursday, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope you are having a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm doing this before we get all our festivities and everything started so I can get it knocked out. So let's go ahead and get over there to the car and I'll show you guys the code, and then we'll go ahead and put this bad baby on. So we are in the car. I got my airlift thing actually bolted there now. All right, let's see if she's gonna, compressor might kick on, by the way. It's definitely gonna kick on. I got a bad air leak. Look at there, 93 psi. So that thing's gonna be on for a minute, but let me see if I can get my access port to basically just show us the code, and then we're gonna get to taking that front wheel off. From my understanding, if I take that wheel off, the little plastic under there, I should be able to get right to the J pipe. Dang, that compressor going crazy back there. Yeah, P0137 rear O2 sensor circuit, low voltage. So that's what we're basically going to be fixing today with our new O2 sensor. And then I'll go get the jack, and then we'll go ahead and see what we're looking like. So that's 50. Basically 50 all the way around. Alrighty, I can barely see it myself, but that O2 sensor goes to that harness right there. That's not the one that we're changing. That's the upstream. The downstream, I can barely see it in here, but it's over here on the driver's side. It's like right on the side of the car here, close to like where you take the actual spark plugs and stuff out, just a little further down. Go ahead and get that side lifted up, and then we should be smooth sailing after that. I just need to make sure I get that shielding off of the bottom, and then we should be good to go to just install the new sensor. No problem. Got the jack out here, got the jack stands and everything under the car. So this is what I was trying to show you guys from the top. That O2 sensor is right there, right here. And then there's the clip for it right there as well. So shouldn't take us long to basically pop that, screw that out, and then we're good to go. Alrighty, so we actually got our O2 sensor out of there. This is the old one right here, and the new one, of course, is the new one, newest looking one. So only took me about 10 minutes to get this off. I had to kind of pull this covering down a little bit more, but so far so good. Let's go ahead and get some of this grease around these threads on this bad baby, and then we can go ahead and put the new one back in, and hopefully that code will be done. So yeah, easy peasy.
Here.
Oh yeah, I ain't been out here for long.
What you doing, man?
Changing my O2 sensor. Told me it was bad. Code came on the other day. Yeah, this is the one I just took out. It don't look that bad. It ain't carbon buildup or nothing, but I got another one yesterday. It came in yesterday. It was in the mailbox. So I'm put it on. Hopefully they can get rid of that code. I just gotta tighten it up some more and I'm done. Clip it back in. Alrighty guys, so we have finished. As you can see, car is still lifted up pretty high. Got everything knocked out, O2 sensors in, new ones in. Now I'm gonna start the car all the way up and let it down since it's still on monster truck status right now. My dam is actually low, guys. I did not say nothing about this in my last clip when I showed you guys the check engine light actually being on. My dam is actually low. It dropped. I had to go to Monroe a couple days back to back, and that's just nothing but 100 miles. And on the way there, I had like some crazy knock. When I mean crazy knock, I had got like an 11 knock, and I was kind of confused. My dam dropped. And then it started learning back positive like immediately, so I'm not too sure what was going on. Could be the gas that I got from down there, and I mean that's the only thing I can think of. But let's see what it says on the codes now. Alright, it's still giving me the same O2 sensor low voltage code. So what I'm gonna do is, since I got that new code in there, I mean that new O2 sensor, I'm gonna go ahead and reset my ECU, and it might just take, honestly, it might just take some miles, like maybe 1 or 2 miles or whatever. Alright, reset Cecil, please turn ignition key to the off position and then start the vehicle. So let's start it up. This is the crazy part, is that it has no check engine light on the actual dash, but when I go up here to go to read codes, oh, now it says no codes found. So I cleared the codes. Like I said, I know I'm gonna have to drive around a little bit to make sure it's not gonna pop back up again. Let me check my gauges. And I'm thinking my dam will be back up to 1. Okay, so it's not up to 1. I like that. That's perfect. All right, so we was able to get the code from stop reading from my low voltage on my O2 sensor. Like I said, it didn't have no check engine light on. It came on, then went back off, and then came back on, and then goes back off. So I went ahead and just changed the sensor, and hopefully it stays off predominantly and doesn't come back on. Now, as far as my dam, hopefully now that the car is reading that it's, you know, exhausting and everything correct, hopefully that dam will start, you know, increasing. Yeah, hopefully everything is good to go. I just wanted to show you guys this on Thanksgiving. Like I said, it's Thanksgiving Day, so make sure you guys are having fun with your families and everything. You guys won't see this until after Thanksgiving, but yeah, that's it. I knocked this out. I think it's around 11:30 or so, so it only took me around an hour to get out here and knock this out. You guys heard my gramps coming out asking me, you know, basically what I'm doing outside and what I'm doing on the car, and that makes me excited and it makes me happy because he's the one person that, you know, has taught me a lot of things about vehicles, not necessarily Subarus, just vehicles in general. And you know, I have to owe it all to him because he, you know, retired from General Motors. So if I have any car questions or car problems, of course I'm asking Pops, and Pops is going to be able to, you know, at least get me into the right direction of knowing what to change and what to fix on the car. But yeah, that's it guys. That's me changing my O2 sensor. If you guys wanted to do that as well, you guys can follow this video. It is a small little guide. I didn't go too in depth with everything, but that's it. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a happy Thanksgiving. See you guys on the next one.